So the components of the blood gas, we have the pH, which is the most important component for clinical reasons. So 7.35 to 7.45 is the normal range. However, for practical reasons, anything over 7.25 is acceptable. You do monitor the baby, you do accept the changes as we go on. But anything below 7.2, especially in a newborn, is likely to affect your body metabolism. It may impair the myocardial function. It may predispose to peripheral tissue circulation issues. So you do need to action if it is below 7.2 to correct it. Of course, it doesn't mean you give a bicarbonate dose. It depends on what is the underlying factor that is producing it. We will discuss it in the part 2. The PaO2 is only reliable on an arterial sample. We'll be discussing this in the next part as well, what sample to take. The normal range is 50 to 70 millimeter mercury, and we should avoid hyperoxia. So not everyone has access to arterial blood gas. So most of the time we use the saturation as a correlate. We based on oxygenation about transcutaneous oxygen measurements, and that again is not routinely available. However, in difficult babies where arterial access is difficult, you can manage using a transcutaneous PO2 as an indicator. PCO2 normally expected to be 35 to 45 millimeter of mercury. We will discuss permissive hypercapnia in the part 2, and age appropriate levels should be considered as well. Avoid hypocapnia at any cost, because hypocapnia is never good for the baby. Some level of permissive hypercapnia is acceptable, but as we will discuss later, severe permissive hypercapnia has no role because the outcomes do not change and you may in fact impair the outcome. Bicarbonate 22 to 26 milliequivalent per liter. However, lower levels are normal in preterm babies who lose bicarbonate in the urine. So 18 to 22 is acceptable, and if the pH is normal, you don't need to correct it. In an extreme preterm baby where the acid-base balance is difficult, we add acetate to the TPN, which helps to maintain it in the reasonable range. Base excess or deficit refers to an excess or deficit in the amount of base present in the blood. So a positive number indicates an excess of base, and a negative number shows a deficit. So if you say base excess of -2, it means a little more acid is there. If you say +2, there is a little more alkali. So -2 to +2 is taken as normal. However, -4 to +4 is quite acceptable. And most of the time we look at the overall gas picture, and as I said, these two are derived values, so you wouldn't action them immediately till you verify whether the sample looks correct and not discrepant.